Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see the daily candle, how it's finished, guys, it's still here in that level. So there is nothing confirmed, guys, here. So I'll show you before we got here inside bar. As you see it now is very clear. Look at that green candle which is finished today. Is it inside that red one here? So also here in that level, guys, where we are, as you see it, we still very powerful here. So there is nothing confirmed yet. It might tomorrow is going to come a big candle like that to break for us that level down, and tomorrow it's coming very stronger news, guys. I'm going to show it to you, but now let's finish it here. So there is nothing confirmed, guys, here. And even that green candle, look at the volume of it, very low compared to those red ones, guys. So there is nothing confirmed. The only thing, that pin bar here, it's showing something is going to happen. And also in 30 minutes we enter in it and we make some profit. So here for tomorrow, nothing confirmed, guys. Nothing confirmed. Remember my word. And here in the daily, guys, as I show you before, also we're still in a very downtrend. I'll show you all those things before. I'll show you all those ones here. That one, the smaller trend line, as you see it, and the bigger trend line, we are very far away from it. Let me show it to you. As you see it, guys, that the big trend, also we are very far away from it. And let me show you my chart to explain to you. As you see it, guys, I know it's looking very messy, but that's how we trade. The long-term trend is that one, guys, as you see it, that one here. So, and that one here, the down channel. So if it's getting broken here and breaking for us, that white one here, that one is the long-term uptrend. Till now we break it down. We came back. We couldn't even stay above it. Now we need to look either if we're going to hold here in that level or no. So till now there is nothing confirmed, guys. And now let's go to see the coming news for tomorrow, guys. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So if you are interested and you want to be updated from professional people, that the job of them, not people that just go into Google and they bring in pictures and they put it for you here, you are in the right place, my friend. It will not take you even 1 second. The red button down, click at it, you're going to become subscriber. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all, or you can even join our Telegram channel if you want to be notified very quick. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. So like that, you're going to be notified very fast compared to here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now it's going to show you the coming news for tomorrow, guys. As you see it here, the coming news for tomorrow, guys, is here. That the news which is going to come tomorrow. By the way, all the time here, is it with GMT time? The most important news we got, guys, is it that one is going to come at 12:30 or afternoon tomorrow. So 12:30 GMT time, you change it to your local time depending where you are. And as you see, the previous inflation level, it used to be 8.3. The forecasting here is it 8.1, and that one is very good. If it came 8.1 or lower than the previous one, forget about that one. That one is just the forecast. You focus only about that one, my friend. That one, 8.3. What is going to come tomorrow? If it came lower than that 8.3, it's very good. Because what that means, the inflation is peaking, guys. If the inflation is peaking, that one is very good signal. Everything is too clear, guys. And we got other things here. Initial job claims, or people they want to claim they are jobless and they want to claim. The previous one, as you see it, is 219, guys, as you see it here. And then they said the forecasting that when the unemployment rate is getting higher and higher in USA, and that one is very bad. Then they got the crude oil inventory, that one. So you need to make a close eye on those things, guys. And our friend, guys, that one, every time us we see it, that table of us, as you see it, what us we said about it before, as you see in here, the market is still everything the same, nothing was changed. It's only that US 30 and US 500, they getting bigger today, but not that big. And the most important, as you see them here, the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones, and the SP 500, all of them, they are falling. And our friend, the one we're looking at it every time, guys, what it's indicating here, the VIX, what's it indicating here, the VIX is 33.56, guys. It's still very, very, very high, and the scariness and people, they are worried, it's still very high. Exactly what's happening now in that war, and all the Western world is entering in it. So it might, that one is going to make big problems. And the winter is entering to Europe. And as you know what Saudi Arabia did, they reduced the supply. So that one is going to increase the prices of all the energy in general. Plus here, the dollar index, guys, or the DXY, where we are 113, guys. We still too much. I think everything is too clear here. We give you a fundamental analysis, guys, here. The market fundamental, it's still looking bad, but let's wait in tomorrow, the one or that CPI or inflation index of USA, how is going to come. If it came 8.1, it's going to be very good, guys. Let me show you the chart of the CPI or inflation index, guys. As you see, it is here, and as you see, that's what I told you, it started picking. If it came tomorrow lower, that means we peak here when we reach to 9. And that one is going to be very good, guys. But till now, nothing confirmed. That one is the chart of the inflation, guys. As you see it in 2020, we used to be very low here. And look where we went from here till 9%. And that it explained to you all that falling as we saw now in the stock market and everything, guys. Because they work in vice versa. Let's make it like that. The Bitcoin and the stock market, they are falling, and the inflation is going up. As you see it, from here, from 2020 till now, we're still going up, guys. And now here, it's showing it's peaking, but not yet, guys, because the last low, as you see it, is it that one where we are now, guys? So it might from here to go back higher to break for you the last high, which is here, or it might from here to fall down, and that one is going to be the best scenario. But till now, nothing confirmed, guys. Everything is too clear here, guys. So now let's go into my chart to show you more, guys. That's our indicator, guys. As you see it, what else we said about it here, when it touch here, we said it's going to fall down, and that's what it done till here, and that level where we are now. We said it before, if you remember. We said, look at it here, it fall down. Look at it here, 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 and all those times here, here, and here. Now it touch it again, guys. So it might from here it will going up, or it's not, because tomorrow there is news. So tomorrow don't open any order, my friend. Don't open any order till after New York opening. In the morning, don't open anything. The market can't do anything, and the market will be very, very, very flat. Stay tuned, looking at the chart, what it's doing. Till after New York open, I'm going to come to you by a new video. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on. So like that, we're going to come back to you after the news came, and we're going to update you what's happening. It's very simple, my friend. A red button next to it, a bell. Click at both of them. So like that, you will be subscribed. You done it? Welcome to the family. It's our other indicator, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you guys. That one, as you see it, we said we got here a divergence, and everything here it's showing it will going up, but the price action, it hasn't been broken, guys. Price action we got is that one. So let's see in tomorrow if we are going to break it, because that the fuel the market want, is it's looking for the fuel. So tomorrow it's coming the news, and let's see if the inflation going to fall down or not. So I think everything is too clear, guys, here. And by the way, I know you are a subscriber. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and done it. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment, please, helping us, guys. You know that channel without you, it can growing up. Yes, without you watching me. So helping us, guys. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. So as I told you guys, here, nothing confirmed here. And in our indicator here in the daily. So let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what the 4 hours telling us, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, what we told you in the previous videos, guys, if you remember, we told you got a W here, and we told you the top of it is here. And as you seen, it couldn't breaking up. So there is nothing confirmed, guys, yet. And as you see in here, the market showing us here, we got a wall here. And yes, we got a wall there, guys. So over here, nothing confirmed, guys, here in the 4 hours. It might to go back down, to give you here a flag or something like that, and to break down. It might is going to fall down more than that. We don't know what's going to happen. And if you remember what else we tell you here, we used to have like that. We used to have here a trend line. It's being broken here. Then it went back, it touched it here. Then it fell down, as you see it, guys. Now here, We told you from here maybe we will go higher because here we got a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. But look what the market done to you here. It give us here a price action at double bottom, very clear, guys. But he couldn't break the last high. So we'll not enter, guys. It might from here to fall down. So here in the 4 hours, there is nothing confirmed yet. I'm going to come back tomorrow for you guys. So let's see our indicators, what they say for pictures a bit more clear to you guys. Our indicator, as you see it, here it gives us the double bottom as you see it. Here in our indicator is very, very, very clear. Breaking up, but he couldn't go higher. And what did I told you got here? I told you got a trend line like that. It's breaking here, but he couldn't go higher. Here in that indicator, that way me I told you those ones, they are just oscillators, guys. They don't work in. His only price action will work. In the price action, it gives us the double bottom, but he couldn't break. So in the price action, it's still very early. That's what the price action telling you. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it, also we said from here we enter short when we used to be here at the overbought. We enter from here, from that candle till down here. When we enter here at the overbought, we said it's time to take some profit. That's what we said in the previous videos. Now here, that one here is at the oversold area. And it gives us here a price action in the top, in the chart. It hasn't been broken up, so it's not yet. It's not yet. We are very, 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 very close, guys, but not yet. And look here what we have. We have here that one and that one, the triangle. And me, I told you if it's breaking higher here, we enter long, guys. It hasn't broken up, so we will not enter. Everything is too clear here, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes, guys. For pictures will be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, guys, if you remember what else we said here about 30 minutes, we said we used to have here a triangle like that or a wedge. The names doesn't matter, guys. We said we enter from here. Now here is the right time to take some profit, guys. Where you are now, you are in profit. It's the right time for you to take some profit. I'm talking here about scalpers and day traders, not long-term traders, because tomorrow it might you're going to see madness in the market. So try to protect yourself. If you still have orders open, if you haven't, don't open any order now. Just look at the market, what is going to telling you. It's our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, what it's saying, guys, we are here at the overbought area, as you see it. That way I told you it's the right time to start taking some profit. And look here what the market giving you here. What the market give you here, it give you here a small triangle, guys. Now if it came and breaking down, you can enter short, but as I told you, tomorrow the time of news, don't open any order, guys, because here the price action and all those things they're telling you, but at the time of news it happen a lot of volatility, guys, in the lower time frames. So it's the best choice for you. Don't open any order. Remember, I said it thousands of times, that word. So tomorrow don't open any order in the morning till after New York opening. That's the right time for you to open some orders. In the morning, don't open any order. Remember that. Everything is too clear here, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after New York opening. Bye for now, guys.